My name is Ashraf. I'm a CEO in the C+ trading company in South. We are based on Kerala, head office in Kerala, branch office Chennai, Hyderabad, Bangalore, Kolkata. We are doing that one. So we are providing the cutting machines, sticker cutting machines. So any more shape you can cut this machine for this. Straight or square, any shape you can cut this. This is the accuracy you can get it. The accuracy is even 1 mm alignment also you can adjust. Even small things like very small things also you can cut this machine. This is the auto feeding sticker cutting machine. Also you can cut the 350 GSM board also. Same like a danglers and boards you can do that one. We have four, five varieties machines there. This is the 10th one of India's dealer. We are on the 10th cutting machine. Also we are doing die cutting the my cut which is very big also very good. And we have almost 1,800 machines sold on all over India. We have customer in Kashmir and Nagaland and south in Tamil Nadu, Kerala, in Punjab, Gujarat, all over state.